Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. The sixth chapter in this continuing series explains claims procedures and processes. We will also look at some of the requisite claim documents and documentation. Subtopic 1. Claims procedures and processes. The claims process for a money or cash-in-transit insurance policy involves several steps that need to be followed in the event of a covered loss. Timely and accurate reporting and documentation are essential to ensure a smooth and efficient claims settlement. Here is an overview of the typical claims procedures and processes. 1. Immediate action. In the event of a loss, take immediate action to ensure the safety of individuals involved and to mitigate further damage or loss. This may include notifying law enforcement, securing the area, and providing medical assistance if needed. 2. Notify the insurer. Contact your insurance provider as soon as possible to report the loss. Most insurers have a designated claims department or hotline for reporting incidents. Provide essential details about the loss, such as the date, time, location, description of events, and a preliminary estimate of the loss amount. 3. Complete claim form. The insurer will provide you with a claims form. Fill out the form accurately and provide all the required information. This form will serve as the basis for initiating the claims process. 4. Documentation. Gather and provide supporting documentation, which may include police reports, incident reports, photographs of the scene, damaged items, and any other relevant evidence. Detailed documentation is crucial for validating the claim. 5. Witness statements. If there were witnesses to the incident, gather their contact information and statements, if possible. Witness statements can help establish the circumstances surrounding the loss. 6. Proof of loss. Depending on the nature of the loss, the insurer may require additional documentation, such as invoices, receipts, or other records that substantiate the value of the loss. 7. Cooperate with investigation. The insurer may conduct an investigation to assess the circumstances of the loss. Cooperate fully with the investigation, providing any requested information or assistance. 8. Loss adjustment. The insurer's claims adjuster will review the submitted documentation, conduct an assessment, and calculate the value of the loss based on the terms of the policy. 9. Claim settlement. Once the insurer has completed its assessment and investigation, they will provide you with a settlement offer. This offer will outline the amount that will be paid for the covered loss. 10. Acceptance or negotiation. You have the option to accept the settlement offer or negotiate with the insurer if you believe the offer does not adequately reflect the value of the loss. 11. Settlement payment. If you accept the settlement offer, the insurer will issue a payment for the approved amount. Payment is typically made according to the terms of the policy and the agreed-upon method. 12. Claim closure. After the settlement payment has been made and any necessary documentation is provided, the claim will be closed. It's important to follow the claims procedures and provide accurate and timely information to the insurer. Prompt reporting, thorough documentation, and cooperation throughout the claims process will help facilitate a smooth and successful claims settlement. If you have any questions or concerns about the claims process, reach out to your insurance provider for guidance and assistance. Subtopic 2. Money or cash-in-transit claims documentation. When filing a claim for money or cash-in-transit insurance policy, providing thorough and accurate documentation is essential for a smooth and successful claims process. The documentation you provide serves as evidence to support your claim and helps the insurer assess the validity and extent of the loss. Here is a list of typical documentation that may be required when filing a cash-in-transit insurance claim. 1. Claim form. Complete and submit the insurer's claim form. This form captures essential details about the loss, policyholder information, and incident circumstances. 2. Incident report. Prepare a detailed incident report that provides a chronological account of what happened. Include the date, time, location, description of events, and any relevant details. 3. Police report. If applicable, provide a copy of the police report related to the incident. This report verifies the occurrence of the loss and may include statements from law enforcement officers. 4. Photographs. Include clear photographs of the scene, vehicles, damaged property, and any relevant objects. Photos help document the physical evidence of the loss. 5. Inventory of loss. Prepare a comprehensive inventory of the items that were lost, stolen, damaged, or destroyed. Include a description of each item, its value, and any applicable serial numbers. 6. Invoices and receipts. Provide invoices, receipts, purchase orders, and other documentation that establish the value of the lost or damaged items. This helps substantiate the financial impact of the loss. 7. Witness statements. If there were witnesses to the incident, gather their statements and contact information. Witness statements can corroborate the details of the event. 8. Security measures documentation. Include documentation that verifies compliance with any security measures required by the policy, such as GPS tracking, security guards, or alarm systems. 9. Employee statements. If employees were involved in the incident, their statements can provide insights into the circumstances and help establish the timeline. 10. Medical reports. If the claim involves injuries to individuals, provide medical reports and bills that detail the medical treatment received and associated costs. 11. Financial records. If the claim involves cash or financial instruments, provide relevant financial records, such as bank statements, cash register records, or transaction logs. 12. Policy documents. Include a copy of your money or cash-in-transit insurance policy and any endorsements or add-ons that apply to the claim. 13. Any other relevant documentation. Depending on the nature of the loss, additional documentation may be required to support your claim. Consult with your insurer to determine specific requirements. Ensure that all documentation is organized, accurate, and legible. Provide copies of the documents whenever possible and retain the originals for your records. Promptly submit the required documentation to your insurance provider as part of the claims process. Thorough and complete documentation will help expedite the evaluation of your claim and contribute to a successful claim settlement. End of Chapter 6. Up next, common exclusions under money insurance.